Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Code with Surya Official. In today's video, we are going to learn one of the most important topics in HTML, that is semantic tags. We will understand why we use them, how they are different from normal div tag. I will show you a simple example too. So make sure you watch till the end and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. So if you are ready, then let's get started. Let's start with a simple question. What are semantic tags? Semantic tags are HTML tags that have a meaningful or purpose both for developers and for browsers. They tell what type of content they contain. Let's first see a non-semantic version. So this is the non-semantic HTML tags. So here, if you notice, we have a div and it contains a attribute called ID. So the ID is header. That means it tells it is a header section. Like that, for the navigation, also we have a div and the ID, and the ID name is nav. And for the main content area also, we have the div and the ID. Like that, we have the section, sidebar, and also footer section. So everywhere it is div only. So that means they are just a plain boxes. Now let's replace those div tag with semantic tags. Let's remove this div to header tag. So this header is a semantic tag, and this header means it's the top section or heading of the page. Like that, for the navigation, we have a nav tag. Nav means navigation links. Okay, and for the main content, we have a main tag. Also for the section, we have a section tag. So let's go for the sidebar, and for the sidebar we have a side tag, and finally we have a footer tag. This footer tells the bottom section of the page. Okay, now the structure look much cleaner. Anyone or search engine can instantly understand the structure of your page. We use semantic tags because they make your HTML meaningful. They improve SEO and also make your code accessible and easy to read. So always prefer using semantic tags instead of too many div elements. That's all about this video. If you found this video really helpful, then don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Code with Surya Official, and check out the full playlist for the complete HTML and CSS course. Thanks for watching, keep learning and happy coding. See you in the next video.